You don't need expensive equipment and brushes to create beautiful art. Today we're painting these impressionist style hydrangeas using just our fingers. The first thing we're going to do is use our ultramarine with a little alizarin crimson added to make our circles and block out where our hydrangeas are going to be. I'm also wiping my fingers regularly to keep the colours nice and clean and stop them from going muddy. Now we can come in and add our impressionist style background. I'm keeping the colours darker in between and around the hydrangeas and then blending it out to the edges with white. If you have any retarder or slow dry medium, you can add a few drops to the paint when putting in the background. It'll keep it wetter for a little longer, but if you don't have any, don't worry, just keep using the white paint to blend it out. You can really get creative and use whatever colours that you like. I'm using pinks and purples, and again using that white paint to blend it out and soften it towards the edge of the canvas. We'll start painting in our hydrangeas now. I'm using ultramarine with a tiny amount of alizarin crimson again for the darker blue, and then I'm gradually adding more white, moving around onto the top of the hydrangeas to get the highlights and create that round shape. We'll add a few details into the background now. I'm not going for any real detail, I'm just trying to give the impression of a few leaves, a little foliage. I've got my sap green, a little cadmium yellow and white, and we'll just build it up as we go. If there are any parts that you don't like or you're struggling with, I would let it dry and then come back again with other colours and just paint them on top. that we're happy with their background, we'll come back into the hydrangeas, add some highlights and really crispen up those edges. Thanks for painting with me today. Please leave a comment or hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.